Welcome to part 2 of the Smart Money Concept course. In this part, we're going to learn how to use TradingView, but not in a completely basic way. You can find plenty of beginner-level TradingView tutorials on YouTube already. Here, we'll focus only on the tools and settings you'll need later for the smart money trading style we're learning in this course. The first thing I want you to do is come here and add this pair to your chart. Make sure you select this exact broker, because from experience, this one provides cleaner and more accurate price data for our style of trading. An important tip at the beginning of your trading journey: always work with only one pair. Why? Because every pair, whether it's EU, gold, or anything else, has its own behavior and personality. Some move faster and sharper, others are slower and make more pullbacks. When you practice on one pair, you master it much faster. Why do I recommend to you? Because it has the largest trading volume in the market, so its movements are more logical, cleaner, and smoother compared to most pairs. Also, its behavior makes it perfect for beginners who are just starting out. Now, come here and add these tools to your favorites with me. Next, turn on the magnet mode, because in our trading style, we need our tools to snap precisely to the candles, like this. Now, what are these tools used for? With trend lines, we mark liquidity points. With horizontal lines, we note important prices like TP levels, or where we move our stop loss to break even. With horizontal rays, we mark change of character and BOS. Vertical lines are for news times. Rectangles mark order blocks and zones. The GAN box is for identifying entry order blocks. Then we have long position and short position tools for marking trades. Finally, the brush and text tools are used to highlight and write down important notes. To keep your favorite tools visible, click the star icon on the bottom left. Now let's customize our tools like this. Start with the rectangle, customize it, and name it order block. Then draw another rectangle, change its color however you like, and name it 5M to mark 5-minute zones. Do the same for 15-minute zones. Next, it's time to customize the GAN box. Set it up like this and name it order block. Now, adjust this next tool. The reason the stop width is set to 2 pips is because in this pair EU, for any strategy we'll use in this course, your stop must always be 2 pips wide. Your take profit TP can vary, but for now, set both tools to TP equals 5. We'll also use the text and brush tools to mark and write important notes. Here's how to mark news events, so that if we're trading live and the price approaches those moments, we can be careful with our stop losses. Finally, let's talk about time frames. We only need 3 time frames for this course, so make sure to add them to your favorites like this. That's all for this setup. In the next part, we'll start using these tools inside the Smart Money strategy.